Most diesel owners don't realize they're slowly damaging their engines and risking costly repairs, but there are simple, powerful secrets that experienced drivers use to keep their diesels running strong for over 300,000 miles. In this video, I'm sharing 5 diesel secrets only experienced drivers know, so keep watching because you won't want to miss these. Secret number 1. The oil change sweet spot. You've probably heard that you should change your oil every 10,000 or even 15,000 miles with modern diesel engines. That's what most manuals say, and it sounds good because you save money, right? Well, experienced diesel drivers have found a better way. The optimal oil change interval for most modern diesels isn't the maximum mileage printed in your manual. It's actually between 5,000 and 7,500 miles, or roughly 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers. Why? Diesel engines work much harder than gasoline engines. They run hotter, produce more soot, and their high compression and turbochargers put extra stress on the oil. So even if you use premium synthetic oil, pushing the oil change to 10,000 or 15,000 miles lets dirt, soot, and contaminants build up in the oil longer than they should. That buildup damages your injection system, clogs your turbocharger, and weakens overall engine protection. So the secret is to be consistent and conservative. You want to choose an oil change interval between 5,000 and 7,500 miles, based on how you drive. If you tow heavy loads, drive in dusty areas, or spend a lot of time in stop-and-go city traffic, it's best to stick closer to 5,000 miles. These conditions put more stress on your engine and oil. On the other hand, if most of your driving is highway cruising in clean conditions, you can safely push your oil changes toward 7,500 miles. Changing your oil more often might cost a little extra in the short term, but this simple habit can save you thousands on major engine repairs down the road. Your diesel engine will reward you with longer life and better performance. Secret number 2. The Italian tune-up. Here's a surprising one. If you mostly use your diesel for short trips around town, you're actually hurting your engine without even realizing it. Diesel engines are designed to run best when they reach and hold high operating temperatures for a long time. But short trips never get the engine hot enough. This causes problems like carbon buildup in the intake system, clogged diesel particulate filters (DPFS), and a nasty condition called wet stacking, where unburned fuel collects and dilutes your engine oil. Experienced drivers call the fix for this the Italian tune-up. At least once a week, take your diesel for a highway run, push the engine RPMs up and hold them there for about 15 to 20 minutes. The goal is to bring the engine fully up to temperature and keep it there long enough to burn off carbon deposits, regenerate the DPF, and keep the turbocharger spinning freely. The benefits? Your engine runs smoother, produces more power, and becomes more fuel efficient. It also helps avoid costly repairs from clogged filters and oil dilution. Don't baby your diesel with only short trips. These engines are made to be worked hard sometimes. The Italian tune-up is your weekly insurance policy for a long, healthy diesel life. Secret number 3. Turbo cooldown protocol. Turbochargers are one of the coolest parts of a diesel engine. They spin at speeds between 150,000 and 250,000 revolutions per minute, creating an incredible boost in power. But this is also where many diesel owners unknowingly cause serious damage. After hard driving, towing heavy loads, or long highway climbs, most drivers just turn off their engine right away. That's a huge mistake. Experienced diesel drivers follow the turbo cooldown protocol. After any high-stress driving, let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutting it off. Why does this matter? When the engine is running hard, the turbo gets extremely hot. If you kill the engine immediately, the oil circulation stops while the turbo is still spinning at high speed and temperature. The oil around the turbo bearings then cooks and leaves deposits, which eventually causes bearing failure. A very expensive fix. Letting the engine idle cools the turbo gradually while oil keeps flowing. This simple habit dramatically extends turbo life, prevents costly damage, and saves you thousands on repairs over time. Many newer diesel vehicles have turbo timers built into their engine control systems, but don't rely on that alone. Make it a personal habit to always cool down your turbo, especially after towing, mountain drives, or any heavy use. Professional drivers never skip this. That's why you often see their turbos last 300,000 miles or more. Secret number 4. Glow plug mastery. Starting a diesel engine might seem simple, but there's an art to doing it right, especially when it's cold outside. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs, diesel engines rely on compression and glow plugs to ignite the fuel. Using your glow plugs properly is a secret many owners don't fully understand. Here's the golden rule. Always wait for the glow plug light to turn off completely before starting your engine. It sounds obvious, but so many people rush this step, especially when they're in a hurry. In moderate weather, one glow plug cycle, turning the key to the on position until the glow light goes out, is usually enough. But here's the pro tip for cold weather. Cycle the glow plugs twice before you start. How? First, turn the key to the on position and wait for the glow plug light to go off. Then, turn the key off. Next, repeat the first step again. Finally, crank the engine. This double cycle warms the combustion chambers better, making starting smoother, reducing white smoke, and lowering wear on your starter motor and battery. Some drivers in extremely cold areas even cycle glow plugs 3 times, but 2 cycles are enough for most conditions. Patience here saves you from hard starts and expensive engine stress. It's a simple trick, but hugely effective. Secret number 5, the fuel tank strategy that prevents expensive repairs. Finally, here's a secret that could save you thousands in fuel system repairs. Never let your diesel fuel level get low, like really low. Running your tank empty or near empty isn't just risky because you might get stranded. It actually damages your fuel system in ways most owners don't realize. Diesel fuel does more than power your engine. It also cools and lubricates your high-pressure fuel injection system. Modern diesel injectors operate at extreme pressures, between 25,000 and 30,000 psi. When fuel runs low, the pump may suck in air and dirt from the bottom of the tank. This can lead to vapor lock, uneven fuel flow, and overheating. Without enough fuel for cooling and lubrication, the pump wears out much faster. In the worst case, it can fail completely, a repair that can cost you thousands. Smart diesel drivers always keep at least a quarter tank of fuel. Letting it drop below an eighth can pull in debris, reduce pressure, and cause overheating. It may seem like a small habit, but it makes a big difference. Keeping your tank fuller protects your engine, saves on costly repairs, prevents air from entering the fuel lines, maintains proper lubrication, and helps your diesel run stronger, cleaner, and more efficiently for many miles. Here's a quick recap of the 5 diesel secrets you need to know. Change your oil between 5,000 and 7,500 miles based on driving conditions. Take your diesel for a weekly highway run to burn off buildup. After hard driving, idle for 30 to 60 seconds to cool the turbo. Always wait for the glow plug light and double cycle it in cold weather. And never let your fuel tank drop below a quarter full. These simple habits will help your diesel run smoother, last longer, and stay reliable for years. If you apply these 5 secrets, you'll notice your diesel runs smoother, feels stronger, and stays reliable for years. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world diesel tips. Also, let me know in the comments which secret surprised you the most or if you have your own diesel care tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you making it all the way through this video. Drive safe and keep that diesel roaring for the long haul.